just had 4 inches of snow last night, although we didn't know that it was going to snow. So now today's probably going to be really busy. You can hear the tractor thing moving snowplow. But yeah, and then so probably leave here around like 2ish. Head to Denver, chill out Zach's for a bit, and then see where the night takes us. It's been a good trip so far. We'll see how the slopes are. Jimmy just left. He's about to send it too. Trying to go way over there. Here we go, toe side turns. Nope, no chance. It's like right here? Is it right here? I thought it's down there. No, it's right here. It's like right here.
Send it!
What if Rogues just goes straight? Just No, I know. I was just saying, what if?
I'm about to go.
Alright, go for it.
Good?
Yep.
Woo!
Did you hit it?
Yeah, you did.
Damn, I didn't see it from here. Oh, he is? I can throw this to you.
Chunk it!
Yeah. It's already on.
Okay. Team looking like Zach Wilson out here with that shitty ass arm. Any day now. Sick. Team, you even popped too. You jumped. Hey, here you go. Pick it up.
Bro, it's insane. I think I still prefer Bluebird, but
yeah,
this is pretty sick.
The best of both worlds is if it snows a bunch overnight.
And then Bluebird the
That's
next
a
day.
Bluebird day.
It's very good.
No. It's gonna be really slow.
It's a turbo straw. It's gonna happen so fast.
It's a turbo.
That's not the limitation.
Just scored in 1.7 seconds. Holy shit. Tie the game up.
That thing go down.
Oh yeah, it's fucking moving.
Really
Hell yeah, Rogue. Hell yeah, Rogue.
Braid freeze.
Which team scored? Bruins?
No. The Bruins were up 3-2.
Double sixth himself.
You look miserable.
1.7.
You're good. Don't worry about it. You're good. You're good.
Come on, Prince.
That's a cold tummy.
So we got to Zach's and now we're eating dinner, and this is where we're eating dinner at. If you know, you know. Bro, we just had to pass through security. How wild is that? Zach. Sheesh.
All I can do is shout, hey, let me out. No room to rumble down. What a way to waste away all you. Nothing happens to you, tell the truth. Yeah, that's a better place. I ain't gonna stay. No room to rumble down. It was dog, tells you to about turning your spine away.
It's so dark I can barely see you. I want to see their salad.
They're really impressive.
Not eating that.
I guess do I go to the low? Alright, we have 2 per person. That's great. That's enough.
Bro, that's more than enough, I feel like. This dude wants fucking bottomless? What the fuck is wrong with
I
him?
heard they were so good. Thank you.
Get in. Get in.
This is hot, Dean. Hurry. Cheers.
Bro, I can barely see you.
We finished dinner. Dinner was actually really good. Like, you wouldn't think it's good, but it was actually really good. Now we're just kind of walking around, checking out what there is to see and do. Oh shit! I don't know where mine went.
I think we missed the well.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, links!
It looks like a maze.
In the house for a very long time. Never asked seats, I get better like mine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? Last time I open up, you can't roll with us.